Hello guys, good morning. So we are now the trials of my catalytic converters. So we have a solution on chemical number 1 formula, and this is a chemical number 2, and this is chemical number 3. So we are now for evaluating the results of our trials. So let's see what's going on. This is I think this trial is for my number 1 trials. So this one is the original one that we don't put any chemical also, but I'm very sure it's hard to see it because if you see in the blockage when the light is on the back, so you see this one, so there's a lot of blockage. So this is the results of my final chemical. You see the blockage is very clear, no blockage at all. So that's mean that my trials are